So what will $1 million buy you here in San Diego? Check out this property. Actually, this one we just sold, but we're gonna take a quick tour. Say hi to Reese. He's a German Shepherd in training. What's up, buddy? Here you get a bunch of used carpet. So the new buyer is responsible for getting rid of that. Walking down through the side yard, you get this beautiful rusty shed, along with some spare ladders. What's that, a 10-foot, 12-foot long kayak, some weights, a weight bench, an old broken down bike, and this beautiful backyard that you won't be able to afford to water. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe so you don't miss any beautiful property like this here in San Diego. If you look up on the slope there, you do have a 16,100 square foot lot and this beautiful one-of-a-kind sunroom. And you can't forget this, a 40-year-old roof that's not leaking and guaranteed not to until the day you close. Walking into the house, you're greeted with this wonderful living room. TV's gone right now, but none of these boxes do convey. The German Shepherd doesn't come along with it. Easy, Reese. He's just a puppy, so he just nibbled on my finger. And this beautiful kitchen with melamine countertops and even a big patch on the roof. There is a stainless steel refrigerator. Walking down, you have your laundry room with 25-year-old Maytag appliances that have warranties that might still be going. And a beautiful 1-inch tile bathroom. Now that's custom. Just tripped over the squatty potty. Moving into the master, you have this room that has a half of a closet, even though there's full closet doors due to the staircase going up. But you do have this custom closet, which is an 8-foot by 2. And then another wonderful bathroom. This one upgraded with 4-inch tile. You have your normal 2 main bedrooms off of the master with, you know, a walk-in closet. I'd say that's walk-in. Nothing like going upstairs into the full walk-through attic. Custom painted with pink and white accents. I noticed this design up here on the top. Skylights for those times that you're tired and want to just look up to that beautiful sun here in San Diego. Bike parts abound. Hey Reese, coming down. Walking down, say hi to Reese. He's a German Shepherd in training. What's up, buddy? Coming down, we have to leave the front door locked. It's dead-bolted for safety, so, you know, in case there's a fire, you can't get out. That's included. All kidding aside, this was a property for one of our clients who's a great friend. He ended up having to move to Arkansas and was gracious enough to bring his 2 parents with him and take care of them while he had this house sale. So this was a tricky transaction. Was in a trust that didn't have a trust account set up to receive funds once it closed. The father is sick, and we had to have notaries and signatures, and all of that got handled, no problem. A few hiccups, but all along the way we got it handled over here at Awesome San Diego Real Estate. And so if you know anybody looking to move into or out of San Diego, we work on both sides. We work on the listing side, as this property was, and then we also work a lot with buyers. So if you know anybody looking to make a move into the area, reach out. All of my information's in the chat. Thanks for watching, and this is what you get for $1 million right here in San Diego.